how to add a dual clock widget on your home screen on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to display two time zones directly on your home screen on your Android device. First, go to your home screen and pinch in or long press on any empty space. After that, tap on Widgets to open the widget selection screen. From there, scroll through and find Clock and tap on it to expand its available styles. At this point, you'll see different clock options, such as analog and digital. Swipe all the way to the last option to find dual clock. In the next step, browse through the available sizes for the dual clock widget and select the one that fits your home screen best. Following this, tap and hold on your preferred size and drag it to your desired spot on the home screen. Once done, release your finger to drop the widget in place. From here, tap on the first clock on the widget to set your primary time zone. At this stage, a globe will appear, allowing you to search for or select your preferred city or time zone. Tap on it to confirm. After this, go back and tap on the second clock to set a different time zone for the second display. Finally, select your second city or time zone from the globe and tap anywhere outside the widget to confirm. And your dual clock will now show two different time zones side by side on your home screen. And that's it. If this Samsung guide helped you add a dual clock widget to your home screen, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.